welcome students. Today we will study one more topic, that's agriculture. It is included in the fourth chapter of your geography book. So in today's class we will try to understand the meaning of agriculture and different types of agriculture practiced in India and the cropping patterns in India. Now let us start today's class with the definition of agriculture. First of all, we will try to understand what the agriculture actually means. So we know agriculture, the word agriculture is derived from Latin word agri and cultura, which means field or growing or cultivation. In short, we will say that agriculture means cultivation of soil for the growing of crops. So it is a science of farming. Included the cultivation of soil for the growing of crops and the rearing of animals. We see here two things: cultivation for the growing of crops so that we may get food, and the rearing of animals because they provide us food, wool and other products like meat, milk, etc. So agriculture is a complex word which means cultivation of soil for the purpose of growing crops and the rearing of animals to provide various types of products like food, wool, milk, meat, etc. We know agriculture is an age-old practice. Most of our food that we consume comes from agriculture, and most of the industries, what may be called as agro-based industries, they derive their raw material from agriculture. So agriculture is the mainstay of Indian economy. When we talk of India, they constitute about 26% of GDP, and along with forest and fisheries, it contributes about 45% of our total national income. So agriculture, when we talk of India, India is mainly an agricultural country. As we know, about 2/3 of its population are involved in this agricultural practice, or directly and indirectly depend upon agriculture. So this agriculture has a big role to play in Indian economy. When we talk of Indian economy, because most of the people are involved in this practice. So when we say that agriculture is an important sector in India that contributes 26% of our GDP. So what type of agriculture is practiced in India? Let us see the different types of this agriculture that is practiced in India. So mainly, students, we see that there are two main types of agriculture that is practiced. One is subsistence. And it includes primitive subsistence and this intensive subsistence. So let us first see primitive subsistence. As we know, subsistence farming, when we talk subsistence, it is mostly practiced in underdeveloping or developing countries. Here, the farming lands are small. We mean farmers have small lands on which they cultivate, and they produce food only for their own consumption, because they use primitive tools and methods to produce food only for their own consumption. They do not use modern techniques or methods. They do not use chemical fertilizers and other things to produce more, but their intention is to produce for themselves, for their own consumption only. And here, one more thing, in subsistence farming, farmers have no proper agricultural arrangements, irrigation arrangements, because they mostly depend upon rain. Whereas when we talk of this intensive or commercial, there is farmers have large tracts of lands. They try to produce surplus food, and for that purpose, they use modern methods and techniques in their fields to produce more food and to get profit. So their main intention is to produce surplus food and to get a profit. Here farmers introduce or use modern techniques and means, and they also use chemical fertilizers, hybrid seeds to produce more and more. And farmers have proper irrigation system, and this sophisticated or modern techniques are being utilized to achieve their goals. So, students, I hope you have understood this agriculture and its types. Now let us turn towards one more topic, that is cropping pattern. Cropping pattern, when we talk of India, because of this diverse geophysical or this climatic conditions and size, etc., there is different types of cropping patterns in India. Mostly there are three types of cropping seasons or cropping patterns in India, that is Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Now what are Rabi crops? First of all, we'll look what are Rabi crops. So Rabi crops are also known as winter crops. These crops are sown in winter from October to December. Remember, these crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. So they are winter crops. They are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard, etc. Though these crops are grown in large parts of India, states from the north and northwestern parts such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and UT of J&K are the main producers of these winter crops or Rabi crops. Now the next is Kharif crops. Kharif crops are also known as summer crops or monsoon crops. They are grown with the onset of monsoons in different parts of the country, and these are harvested in September, October. So they are sown when we talk of onset of monsoons, that is from May to June, and harvested in September, October. Important Kharif crops are maize, rice or paddy, jawar, bajra, arhar, soybean, etc. So these, beside these two cropping seasons, Rabi and Kharif, there is in between these two, there is one more cropping season, that is short duration, which is called as Zaid. Some of the crops produced during Zaid season are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. Sugarcane takes almost a year to grow. So students, there are these are three cropping seasons that is practiced in India. So Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. I hope you have understood this, and with that I conclude today's topic. Thanks very much.